3 weeks ago I received an email inviting me to an exclusive event. Since then I've been teasing you all by uploading pictures both on my socials and as thumbnails on my videos with a strange looking mark on them. This mark is in fact a country. In this picture I literally broadcasted it in a foreign language, where I was going. Any takers on where it might be? Well, if you said Sweden, you are right. In 2020, I was very lucky to have been invited to Scania's Winter 2020 event. Well, this year, in 2021, Scania have invited me to Sweden. I'm going to be spending time at their headquarters in Södertälje? Yeah, that place. During the visit, I'm going to be learning about Scania's new solutions with regards to sustainability, listen to what they have to say about the future of the internal combustion engine, and I will be experiencing their new outstanding 13-litre range. I'm also going to be able to have a chance to drive on their famous demo centre. If you're watching this on YouTube, then please do go follow me on both Facebook and Instagram. That is where I will be posting what I'm up to day to day, so if you want to have a sneak peek of what I'm up to, they are the places that you want to go and follow me on. There will of course be a video or two made out of it as well, so do feel free to keep an eye on that on YouTube. That will be up very soon. I'm looking forward to sharing with you all my experience there. I think it's going to be really fun. You don't have to wait long, because if you're watching this video, I'm actually already there.